Iolite, often referred to as water sapphire, is a remarkable gemstone known for its striking colors and unique properties. It primarily exhibits a rich violet-blue hue, but it can also display shades of purple, gray, and even yellow depending on the angle from which it is viewed. This phenomenon, known as pleochroism, is one of the defining characteristics of iolite, making it a favorite among gem enthusiasts and jewelers. The stone is primarily composed of magnesium, iron, and aluminum, belonging to the cordierite mineral family. Its unique chemical structure contributes to its vibrant color and ability to exhibit different hues under various lighting conditions. Iolite's allure is not merely aesthetic, it also holds historical significance, having been used by ancient navigators to help determine the position of the sun on cloudy days. By utilizing thin slices of iolite, these early explorers were able to find their way across vast oceans, underscoring the stone's practical applications alongside its beauty. Iolite's formation typically occurs in metamorphic rocks, specifically in areas where volcanic activity has taken place. The primary sources of iolite are located in regions such as India, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, and parts of the United States. The gemstone is often found in alluvial deposits, where weathering has eroded the parent rock, allowing the iolite crystals to accumulate in riverbeds and other sedimentary areas. The extraction process involves careful mining techniques to ensure the quality and integrity of the stones are preserved. Once mined, iolite is cut and polished to enhance its natural beauty, often resulting in cabochons or faceted gemstones. The cutting process is critical, as the orientation of the cut can significantly impact the gemstone's color play and overall appearance. Due to its relatively high hardness of 7 to 7.5 on the Mohs scale, iolite is suitable for various types of jewelry, including rings, necklaces, and earrings. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, iolite is believed to possess metaphysical properties that resonate with many crystal enthusiasts. It is often associated with the third eye chakra, which is linked to intuition, perception, and spiritual awareness. Many believe that wearing iolite can enhance one's ability to connect with their inner self, promote clarity of thought, and assist in decision-making processes. Additionally, iolite is thought to facilitate past life regression and enhance visualization during meditation, making it a favored stone among practitioners of holistic healing and spiritual growth. Its calming energy is believed to help alleviate stress and anxiety, fostering a sense of inner peace and balance. The stone's associations with the mind and spirit contribute to its popularity as a tool for personal transformation and growth. Iolite also holds cultural significance in various traditions around the world. In ancient times, it was used as a gemstone by the Vikings, who believed that it could aid in navigation and help them find their way across the seas. The stone's deep blue color was thought to represent the sky and the sea, making it an essential tool for their voyages. In modern times, iolite is often incorporated into jewelry as a birthstone for September, symbolizing wisdom, intuition, and spiritual insight. Its rich colors and unique properties make it a captivating choice for jewelry designers, who often use iolite to create stunning pieces that reflect both elegance and individuality. The increasing popularity of iolite in contemporary jewelry also speaks to a growing appreciation for unique gemstones that offer both beauty and meaning. As with any gemstone, the market for iolite is influenced by various factors, including quality, rarity, and consumer demand. High-quality iolite exhibits deep, vivid colors and minimal inclusions, making it more desirable among collectors and jewelers. The gemstone's affordability compared to other precious stones, such as sapphires and tanzanites, makes it an attractive option for those seeking a unique and visually striking addition to their collection. With the rise of eco-conscious and ethically sourced materials, many consumers are becoming more interested in the origin of their gemstones. As a result, sustainable mining practices and transparent supply chains are becoming increasingly important in the iolite market. This shift toward ethical sourcing is helping to ensure that iolite remains a gemstone not only valued for its beauty but also for its contribution to responsible practices in the jewelry industry. Iolite is often celebrated not just for its stunning visual properties but also for its fascinating geological formation. This gemstone forms in specific geological conditions, typically associated with metamorphic rocks. These environments are often created by extreme heat and pressure, which transform existing rocks into new forms. The primary mineral composition of iolite is cordierite, which is a silicate mineral that contains aluminum, iron, and magnesium. Its formation process begins deep within the Earth, where magma cools slowly, allowing for the growth of the iolite crystals. Over millions of years, geological movements can expose these crystals at the surface, making them accessible for mining. The intricate process of iolite formation highlights the geological history of the regions where it is found, and each piece carries a story that connects it to the Earth's dynamic processes. Iolite's unique color and pleochroism also make it a subject of scientific interest. Pleochroism is the ability of a mineral to exhibit different colors when viewed from different angles, a characteristic that is particularly pronounced in iolite. Depending on the light source and angle of observation, iolite can display shades ranging from violet blue to golden yellow. This property is due to the arrangement of the crystal lattice and the way it interacts with light. The science behind this phenomenon is rooted in the mineral's molecular structure, which allows it to absorb certain wavelengths of light while reflecting others. Gemologists often utilize this knowledge when cutting and polishing iolite, as the orientation of the cut can significantly affect the stone's overall color and visual impact. This scientific aspect adds a layer of intrigue to iolite, appealing to both gem enthusiasts and those with an interest in geology and light interaction. In addition to its visual and geological attributes, iolite is often associated with various legends and myths. In ancient Greece, it was believed that iolite had the power to illuminate the mind and enhance one's ability to perceive the truth. It was thought to assist in dispelling confusion and promoting clarity in thought and vision. This association with insight and wisdom has made iolite a symbol of guidance and enlightenment in many cultures. The stone's historical significance is reflected in its use by ancient civilizations, where it was often set into jewelry and used in ceremonial objects. This rich cultural heritage adds to iolite's allure, as it is not merely a gemstone but also a carrier of historical and spiritual meanings that resonate with many people today. Iolite's contemporary applications extend beyond jewelry into various holistic and wellness practices. Many crystal healers incorporate iolite into their healing practices, believing it can assist with emotional healing and enhance one's spiritual journey. Its connection to the third eye chakra is particularly significant in these contexts, as it is thought to facilitate deeper meditation, intuitive insights, and personal reflection. Practitioners often recommend placing iolite on the forehead during meditation to enhance clarity and promote a sense of calm. In addition to its meditative properties, iolite is sometimes used in crystal grids designed to support mental clarity and emotional balance. These holistic uses underscore the multifaceted nature of iolite, as it serves both as a beautiful gemstone and as a tool for personal development and spiritual growth. As the appreciation for unique gemstones continues to grow, the market for iolite is evolving. Increasingly, consumers are drawn to iolite not just for its beauty but also for its ethical sourcing and environmental impact. Many jewelers are now committed to sustainable practices, ensuring that their iolite is mined responsibly and ethically. This shift toward transparency and sustainability is helping to shape consumer preferences, leading to a greater demand for ethically sourced iolite. Moreover, the rise of social media and online platforms has allowed for greater awareness and appreciation of iolite among a wider audience. As more people become educated about the unique qualities and cultural significance of iolite, its popularity is likely to continue to rise, establishing it as a beloved gemstone in the jewelry industry and beyond. Iolite's connection to various historical narratives and its role in ancient maritime culture further enhance its significance. For centuries, sailors have relied on iolite, often referred to as the Viking's compass, to navigate the open seas. They used the gemstone to locate the sun's position on cloudy days, exploiting its pleochroic properties. By holding a piece of iolite at a specific angle, they could determine the direction of the sun's rays, aiding in navigation and ensuring safe passage across treacherous waters. This practical application of iolite not only highlights its unique optical characteristics but also illustrates the ingenuity of ancient civilizations in utilizing natural resources for survival. The story of iolite as a navigational aid underscores its multifaceted role throughout history, bridging the gap between practicality and beauty. The mining and sourcing of iolite also reflect a significant aspect of its story. Major sources of iolite include countries like India, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, and Tanzania, where the gemstone is extracted from metamorphic rocks. The mining process often involves local communities, and the benefits can extend beyond just the gemstone trade. Sustainable mining practices can lead to economic growth in these regions, providing jobs and fostering community development. However, the environmental impact of mining cannot be overlooked. As with many gemstones, there are ongoing discussions about the balance between resource extraction and environmental conservation. Responsible mining practices aim to minimize ecological disruption while ensuring that local communities benefit from the trade. This dialogue surrounding ethical sourcing is essential as consumers increasingly seek out stones that not only possess beauty but also align with their values regarding sustainability and ethical practices. In modern gemology, the evaluation of iolite goes beyond its visual appeal. Gemologists consider factors such as clarity, cut, and carat weight when determining value. High-quality iolite is characterized by its deep blue color and high clarity, free from visible inclusions. The cut of the gemstone can dramatically influence its appearance, with well-executed cuts enhancing its pleochroic effects. In recent years, advancements in technology have also played a role in the assessment and valuation of gemstones. Sophisticated tools and techniques enable gemologists to analyze the mineral composition and authenticity of iolite more accurately. These developments ensure that consumers can make informed choices when purchasing iolite, understanding the quality and origins of their gemstones. The integration of technology into gemology reflects the ongoing evolution of the industry and the importance of maintaining high standards in the market. Iolite's versatility in design and application has led to its popularity in various forms of jewelry, from elegant necklaces to statement rings. Jewelers appreciate iolite's striking hues, which can range from light lavender to deep sapphire blue, making it suitable for diverse styles and occasions. Its affordability compared to other blue gemstones, such as sapphires or tanzanites, further enhances its appeal, allowing more people to enjoy this beautiful stone without the high price tag. Additionally, the growing trend of personalized jewelry has led to an increase in custom designs featuring iolite, as individuals seek to express their unique style and preferences. This trend not only highlights iolite's adaptability but also signifies a broader movement toward individualized jewelry pieces that resonate with personal stories and memories. As the fascination with iolite continues to expand, the gemstone is also gaining recognition in the realm of alternative healing practices. Practitioners often incorporate iolite into healing rituals and energy work, believing it to possess powerful metaphysical properties. Many view iolite as a stone of vision and intuition, aiding in the pursuit of one's higher purpose. Its calming energy is thought to promote mental clarity and emotional balance, making it a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their meditation practices. The spiritual significance of iolite resonates with individuals on a personal level, providing a sense of connection to the natural world and the inner self. As awareness of holistic practices grows, iolite's reputation as a stone of transformation and enlightenment is likely to flourish, further solidifying its place in both the gemstone and wellness communities.